Have you ever wondered what would happen to your pets if you were to pass away tomorrow? I'm, Jeez. I'm Oren Ross. I'm an estate planning attorney. And as you can tell, I have a cat. We have 3 cats, my wife and I. We also have 2 dogs here too. So we have plenty of animals. But one of the common questions I get from people is, what do we do with our pets when we pass away? So generally, if we're setting up a living trust for someone and they mention their pets at all, I might suggest the option of using a pet provision inside that trust. The reason we would put it in a trust as opposed to a will is because wills have to go through probate, and it can take 2 to 3 months to get your executor the power to do anything for your estate. It's pretty bad right now, especially with COVID. It's even worse than normal. It takes a while to get that thing done, so we kind of have assets frozen. With a living trust, we don't have to deal with these frozen assets because your successor trustee can step in the day that you pass away and start splitting up accounts and closing things out. So what we do with a pet provision is we state who would be in charge of your pets if you were gone. So ideally we have one person who's going to be there. If they're unwilling or unable, we have another person, and then maybe another person, so that even if someone isn't around anymore, we have someone else who can step in to their place and take care of your animals. Now, inside that pet provision, we can also lay out money for the care of your pets. So usually we do a monthly amount for their care, but you can also do a flat amount or whatever you want to do. But we want to make sure that we have money to feed your animals and for their medical bills, so that you're not really putting a burden on someone when you name them as the person who's going to take care of your pets when you're gone. So we can even leave life insurance to those living trusts for the care of your pets. Now, I think ideally you don't want to be like Leona Helmsley and leave millions of dollars to a dog, but it is a good idea to leave a little bit of money for the care of your animals after you're gone. So if you want to learn a little bit more about estate planning or living trusts with pet provisions, please call our office. Our number is 678-250-4281, or you can email me directly at oren@orenrosslaw.com.